everyone, welcome back to Aunty Dann's kitchen. Today Aunty will be cooking dry curry catfish, and of course the main ingredient are the catfish. This one I already chopped it into tiny piece. Okay, and then the ingredients, these are shallot, garlic, 2 slices of ginger, and this one is lemongrass, and about a teaspoon of black peppercorn. I'm gonna pound later. And of course this one is fish curry powder, about 3 tablespoons. And this one is coriander and fennel powder. And this one is tamarind sauce. If you don't have tamarind sauce, you can just use the fresh tamarind. And of course this is hot water. So stay tuned, guys. Let's start the cooking. So these are the pounded ingredients of shallot, garlic, and ginger, and black pepper. Okay, now we start do the cooking. Okay, as usual, Aunty would like to add a bit of salt. This is to enhance the aroma of the condiments. Stir fry until fragrance. Add in the lemongrass. Alright, all the condiments smells good. We add in the curry paste. I add a bit of water just now to make it into paste. And then the coriander and fennel powder. Slow a bit the flame. Okay. Stir fry until the curry paste and all the condiments aromatic. Alright, we add in the fish. This is catfish. Alright. Add a bit of hot water. Tamarind paste. A little bit more of hot water. Okay, put in the salt, about 1 teaspoon, and Ajinomoto 1 teaspoon. That should be enough already, the taste. Let it continue to simmer until it's cooked. For this catfish, I didn't add any santan. There is no coconut milk added. I want it natural taste like this. Alright, this is the ending of Auntie's cooking dry curry catfish. Do try the recipe, yeah? Anyway, thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. May God bless all.